Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop like motion blur on water splash. Today we will create a flowing water motion effect. Start with an image containing water on a splash. Duplicate the layer and go to the filter, select motion blur and also adjust the angle according to the splash direction. Mask the area to keep some sharp details. It gives a natural following movement. Add another duplicate and apply stronger blur for layering. Lower its opacity to blend it softly. Enhance the edges using curves. Add some mist or white particles for realism.